Hello everyone, this video will show you how to use HDL Bussport Setup tool. HDL Bussport Setup tool. It is a Windows-based online configuration tool software for Bussport products. Offline function will be added in the future. To configure, simply scan the online devices and select a specific device to configure it. This software we can use to control Bussport product. This software has some functions. It can scan online devices locally or remotely, check the device firmware version, upgrade online devices if needed, configure the device one by one. It can use to backup and restore. It can use to monitor the traffic when troubleshooting. Okay, now I will show you our Bussport bus. This is the HDL Bussport tool. We always call Bussport software. Okay, after you install the Bussport software. For download the Bussport software, you can go to our website to download, or you can ask your HDL sales to send the software to you. Okay, run it. This is the interface for Bussport Setup tool. It has some functions. First, if you want to search the devices, so make sure your PC and the HDL gateway module connect to the network, to the same network. Okay, first one we need to check the option. For example, I have my demo case here, and the gateway and my PC connect to the same network, and the IP segment is 10 segment. So first we need to go to option, and it has the IP select. My PC just have one IP, but if you use the laptop, it has the local IP and the Wi-Fi IP. Okay, for example, I enable my Wi-Fi. So this is local connect, and I connect one Wi-Fi. So I have two IP. One is for local, and second one is for Wi-Fi. Go to HDL Bussport tool, the option. Go here, select IP. You can see there is two IP. The first one is my Wi-Fi IP. The second one is my local IP. So my gateway, HDL gateway module is connect to the router, and my PC connect to this router with the R345 cable. So I must select the same IP with my gateway. Okay, select this one. Okay, and then close it. Second one, we can use fast search, or we can use the advanced search. Okay, I will show you the advanced search first. Advanced search, we can search network device. Okay, just search the network. Okay, search it, search. So I can see my network devices. The first one is my gateway, IP gateway. The second one is the DMS48 devices. We can search the network device here, and we can double click it to change the IP. For example, my gateway now it is in DHCP mode. So I can disable the DHCP, and then I can fix one IP for it. For example, 100. Save it. So you can see the IP will be changed. After you set the IP which you want, so we can close it and go to the fast search. What does the fast search means? It will fast search all the devices which online. Okay, this is my devices. Total device is 60. Okay, you can see each device. This device 1, 2, 3. These different devices. Each device it has the subnet ID and the device ID. We talked before the devices under the gateway. For example, my dimmer. This dimmer is under the gateway. The dimmer, the subnet ID must same with the gateway. So we need to change this dimmer, the subnet ID 1 to 5, because we need to change it same with the gateway. Maybe you will ask, now I can search it. Why we need to change the subnet ID? Okay, if the subnet ID is different, my gateway is 5, but the dimmer is 1. So when you want to enter to the module, enter to the dimmer, you will show timeout. For example, I want to check the version of the dimmer. Double click, it will show timeout. Okay, timeout. Okay, we can check this one. This is the relay. The relay address, the subnet ID is 5. It is same with the gateway. So when I double click it, it works. So for the dimmer, we need to change the subnet ID. How can we change it? Okay, double click the address. Double click. It will pop up a window. Okay, just change it 5. Modify it. So the dimmer subnet ID will change to 5. Okay, let me double click the version. So it will show the version, the firmware version. It will not show timeout. So please make attention to the subnet ID. The devices which under the gateway, the subnet ID must sync with the gateway. Okay, this is our gateway. For this software, we can check the address for the module, the remark for the module, and the firmware version for the module. We can double click the address area to change the change the address. And we can double click the name to change the name for the device. For example, this is the gateway. Okay, gateway. This is the dimmer. Floor 1 dimmer. You can change the name. Okay, or click enter. Same. This is the relay. You can change the remark. Okay. I can backup the data. Go to the data backup. Select my devices. For example, relay, and then backup. So we can set the backup relay module 4 amperes, 4 channel, 16 ampere. This relay module. Okay, save it. So it will backup. It will start to backup the data. It will show backup success. After you backup, maybe you have other devices. You can restore. How can we use the restore? Okay, press data restore and then select the backup file which you backup before. Okay, I want to restore. For example, this is the address for your new module. If you have a new module, maybe 520, This is the new module address. Okay, but now we just have 5.2, and then we can restore. Press restore. So it will restore the data. Okay, this is the restore success. This for backup and data restore. And for the next, advanced search. Before I show you the search network device, and the other one is advanced search. What is the advanced search? Maybe you have more devices in your project. Sometimes the device cannot be searched in fast search. You can use the advanced search. For example, you can set address of the devices and then use advanced search. For example, 5.14. You can use the menu add or advanced search. Okay, it will add by menu. The third one is add devices mode device. What does it mean? For example, you buy 5 array modules, but for the default, the address will be same. The default address is subnet ID 1, device ID 5. Subnet ID 1, device ID 5. So when you buy the new module, all modules address will be same. So you need to modify one by one, but you do not know which module is this one. So we can use the add address mode device. What does it mean? Okay, for HDL relay module. For the relay module, it has the program button. For example, you have 5 relay module. You press the program button of one module. Okay, press the program button. Press the program button for 5 seconds. The program button will turn red. Go to this page. Okay, read the device address. The subnet ID is 5, device ID is 2. This is my relay. I press the program button for the relay module for 5 seconds. The LED will turn on, and then go here to read the address. So this means device ID, subnet ID 5, device ID 2. This relay module entered to the address mode. So we can modify the address. Very simple, 20. And then input new address and modify. So I modify the relay module to new address. Okay, this is the new module. I modify this relay to 520 address. So I can search it again. The relay module will be 20, not 2. Okay, it will be 20, the relay module. This for add device. Find the device. Okay, there are some functions. First one is upgrade device. What does it mean? Maybe the device, it has some new firmware, new function, so you need to upgrade the firmware to the device. Okay, for example, this relay module, double click the firmware version. The firmware version is in this year. So maybe the firmware is old. I want to use new function, so I want to upgrade it. How can we upgrade it? If you can search the device, for example, I can search the relay module. I can use the online upgrade. The first one is online upgrade, automatic upgrade. For this automatic upgrade, the first important is you need to search the device first. So I can search the relay and then I can select the relay module 520. The relay module. Okay. We can click read device type. So the device type is this one. And then I can select my firmware. I have my firmware in new. Okay, this other one. Double click, select it. So you can see the device type is the same. So I can upgrade it. And then go to add device. Yes. Add to upgrade list and then press upgrade. So it will automatically upgrade the relay module. First one, select the device. Second, read device type. Third, select the upgrade file. And fourth, add device to the upgrade list. The last one is click upgrade. So it will start to upgrade the module. This one is for upgrade Enviro panel. This for change the icon. Change the icon for DOP. Okay, this for IR runner. It is use HDL IR runner to run the IR code. This for HDL remoter, the old remoter. Okay. This for program HDL on data. HDL on data. I will show you the initialization. Does it mean? Okay, go here. For some time, we can, if you want to clean all data in the module, you can use the initialization. Okay, for example, my relay, select my relay module. I can click read MAC and then initialize. Okay, so it will clean. It will clear. It will clean all the data. Okay, search it again. Okay, and this one is for check HDL MAC. Okay, first search it. Make sure all the MAC is unique. Okay, this is our training course.